Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best drone to capture stunning aerial photos and videos, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a beginner, a travel enthusiast, a content creator, or an experienced pilot, today's drones offer incredible camera quality, longer flight times, intelligent GPS features, and smoother flight performance than ever before. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best drones on Amazon in 2026. From lightweight, FAA-friendly models to advanced drones with 3-axis gimbals, obstacle avoidance, and long-range transmission, we've selected the best options for every budget and skill level. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's take off with our number 1 pick. Number 1. Holystone HS-175D GPS Drone. Taking the number 1 spot is the Holystone HS-175D, an outstanding drone that offers an excellent combination of affordability, intelligent flight features, and reliable performance. Weighing under 249 grams, the HS-175D is lightweight and highly portable, making it ideal for travel, while reducing regulatory requirements in many regions. Its 4K camera captures detailed aerial photos and videos, while GPS positioning provides stable flight and precise hovering. With up to 46 minutes of combined flight time, you'll have plenty of time to capture cinematic footage. Intelligent features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Circle Fly, Auto Return to Home, and Altitude Hold make flying simple for beginners, while still offering enough functionality for more experienced users. Pros: lightweight under 249 grams, sharp 4K camera, GPS-assisted stable flight, up to 46 minutes of flight time, intelligent Follow Me and Waypoint modes, automatic return to home. Cons: electronic image stabilization instead of a mechanical gimbal, moderate wind resistance. Overall, the Holystone HS-175D delivers excellent value, dependable performance, and beginner-friendly controls, making it our best overall drone for 2026. Number 2. Bwine F7 Mini Drone. Coming in at number 2 is the Bwine F7 Mini, a feature-packed drone built for creators who want premium camera performance without moving into professional pricing. This compact drone captures stunning 8K photos and smooth 4K video using a stabilized 3-axis gimbal, producing cinematic footage with minimal vibration. It includes a dedicated 5.5-inch HD controller screen, eliminating the need to rely on your smartphone during flights. With an impressive transmission range of up to 20,000 feet and up to 64 minutes of combined flight time, the F7 Mini is ideal for capturing expansive landscapes. Additional features include GPS Follow Me, beginner mode, auto return to home, and a 5x digital zoom for added shooting flexibility. Pros: stunning 8K photo capability, smooth 4K video recording, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, built-in controller display, up to 64 minutes of flight time, long 20,000-foot transmission range. Cons: digital zoom reduces image quality when fully extended, premium price compared to entry-level drones. If you want excellent image quality and advanced flight features, the Bwine F7 Mini is a fantastic choice. Number 3. V168 Pro Max GPS Drone. Taking third place is the V168 Pro Max, a versatile GPS drone designed for beginners and recreational pilots. It features a built-in 4.5-inch HD display directly on the controller, allowing you to view live footage without connecting a smartphone. The 4K camera captures crisp aerial video, while 360-degree obstacle avoidance provides extra confidence during flight. With up to 60 minutes of combined flight time, long-range transmission, quick shots, Follow Me mode, GPS auto return, and powerful brushless motors, this drone offers a feature-rich flying experience at an attractive price. Pros: built-in controller display, 4K camera, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, up to 60 minutes of flight time, GPS auto return, brushless motors. Cons: electronic image stabilization instead of a mechanical gimbal. Camera performance is best in daylight. For beginners wanting premium features without overspending, the V168 Pro Max is an excellent option. Number 4. 2026 Professional Tablet Remote Drone. At fourth place is the 2026 Professional Tablet Remote Drone, a high-performance aircraft built for serious aerial photography and demanding outdoor conditions. Its stabilized 4K camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, delivering smooth cinematic footage, while advanced 360-degree obstacle avoidance helps improve flight safety. The included tablet-style remote controller offers a larger display for easier framing and navigation. With up to 90 minutes of combined battery life, an impressive 6-mile transmission range, payload release capability, night mode, rain resistance, and high wind stability, this drone is equipped for both recreational flying and advanced creative projects. Pros: 3-axis stabilized 4K camera, large tablet-style controller, up to 90 minutes of flight time, 6-mile transmission range, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, high wind resistance. Cons: larger and less portable, higher price than beginner models. If you're looking for premium features and extended flight capability, this drone offers exceptional versatility. Number 5. Holy Stone HS900 Drone. Rounding out our list is the Holy Stone HS900, one of the company's most advanced consumer drones. Equipped with a stabilized 3-axis gimbal, the HS900 captures detailed 8K photos and smooth 4K video at 30 frames per second. AI-powered Follow Me keeps the camera locked on your subject, while Smart Return Home and Quick Shots simplify capturing professional-looking aerial footage. With a transmission range of up to 20,000 feet, beginner-friendly controls, and reliable GPS navigation, the HS900 is suitable for both new pilots and experienced drone enthusiasts. Pros: sharp 8K photo resolution, smooth 4K 30 FPS video, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, AI Follow Me, long transmission range, beginner-friendly controls. Cons: flight time is shorter than some premium competitors. Premium features come at a higher price. For users looking for a reliable, feature-rich drone with excellent image quality, the HS900 is an outstanding choice. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best drones on Amazon in 2026. If you're looking for the best overall value, the Holy Stone HS175D stands out with its lightweight design, dependable GPS features, and excellent ease of use. For creators seeking higher-end camera performance, the Bwine F7 Mini offers a 3-axis gimbal, stunning 8K photos, and impressive long-range transmission. And if you want a professional-style flying experience with advanced features, the 2026 Professional Tablet Remote Drone delivers exceptional flight time, obstacle avoidance, and premium control. No matter which drone you choose, each model on today's list offers impressive technology to help you capture incredible aerial photos and videos with confidence. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you find the perfect drone, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.